Blocktane.io allows users to purchase cryptocurrencies easily and safely. On the platform, trades can be executed using the Easy Buy Sell feature, which immediately executes a buy or sell order. Or they can be completed using the Advanced Trading tab. In this case, orders can be triggered as market orders or limit orders. The first type, market, will match your order with the last entry on the other side of the order book, while limit orders are only executed when certain conditions set by the user are met. Advanced trading features offer a great variety of tools for users to analyze price movements and the market. In this way, users are able to do their own research and follow personal opinions on when to buy or sell a certain asset. This is called technical analysis. Technical analysis is a trading technique used to assess the charts of an asset and attempt to forecast its future movement by looking at data obtained from trading activity, such as volume and price movement. Technical analysts concentrate on charts of price movement and various analytical tools to evaluate a security's strength or weakness and predict future price changes, in contrast to fundamental analysts who try to determine a security's intrinsic value. While some indicators are primarily concerned with detecting the current market trend, including support and resistance levels, others are more focused on assessing a trend's strength and the chance that it will persist. Trend lines, moving averages, and momentum indicators like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator are among the frequently used technical indicators. A technician believes that it is possible to identify a trend, invest or trade based on the trend and make money as the trend unfolds. Here are some of the most used and most famous indicators used for crypto trading that are available on Blocktane.io. First, the Average Directional Index (ADX) is a trend indicator used to measure the strength and momentum of a trade. Depending on which way the price is heading, the trend is thought to have significant directional strength when the ADX is above 40. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator helps traders see the trend direction as well as the momentum of that trend. The price is moving upward when the MACD is above 0, but we can say we have entered a bearish phase if it is below 0. The indicator is composed of two lines, the MACD line and a signal line, which moves slower. The price is declining when the MACD crosses below the signal line. The price is rising when the MACD line passes above the signal line. Last but not least, Relative Strength Index or RSI measures the speed and magnitude of a security's recent price changes to evaluate overvalued or undervalued conditions in the price of that security. The asset is deemed overbought and is perhaps going to drop when the RSI rises above 70. The asset is oversold and may rally if the RSI falls below 30. Making this assumption is risky, so some traders wait for the indicator to reach a high of 70 and then drop below before selling, or for it to reach a low of 30 and then reach a high again before purchasing. Another application for the RSI is divergence. The current price is weakening and may soon reverse when the indicator is moving in the opposite direction from the price. Support and resistance levels are a third application for the RSI. A stock will frequently hold above the 30 mark and frequently hit 70 or above during uptrends. When a stock is downtrend, the RSI will typically hold below 70 and frequently reach 30 or below. There are many different indicators and chart patterns among the several dozen technical analysis tools. Market professionals are constantly developing new tools and improving existing ones. So, how reliable is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the process of interpreting market sentiment using patterns and signals seen in graphs. Although numerous empirical investigations have indicated its usefulness, there is still debate over its accuracy because of the wide range of success. To increase reliability, it is best to combine a variety of technical tools and indicators with other strategies like fundamental analysis.